Hello, fellow nature lovers. Welcome back to Kira-style Garden. Is your small outdoor space feeling a bit uninspired lately? Well, today we are breathing new life into every corner. I am sharing 12 cozy hand-sized DIYs that pack a huge punch of rustic charm. Let's roll up our sleeves and celebrate the magic of spring together right now. Imagine, just for a second, stumbling upon this tiny mossy sanctuary tucked away in your bushes. Small, really small, fitting right in the palm of your hand. Using just some fallen bark and a bit of velvety forest moss, we're creating a little piece of woodland magic. It's so simple, yet it adds this incredible earthy soul to your garden corner. Just look at those textures catching the soft afternoon light. Absolutely enchanting, isn't it? There's something deeply nostalgic about vintage lace, isn't there? We're taking that delicate history and pressing it firmly into cool white clay. As you peel the lace away, a beautiful, intricate story remains. These tiny leaf-shaped dishes are perfect for those little garden treasures you find along the way. A bit of gold on the rim, and suddenly your outdoor space feels just a little more elegant, a little more personal, and so very cozy. Let's slow things down with some simple rhythmic knots. This raw, fibrous hemp rope feels so grounded between your fingers. We're weaving a tiny palm-sized cradle, a perfect little home for a delicate air plant. It's a minimalist touch that brings a massive amount of rustic charm. Hang it where the spring breeze can gently sway it back and forth. It's all about those small, quiet details that make a garden feel truly like home. Don't throw away those old tarnished silver spoons just yet. With a little bit of force and a lot of love, we can turn them into these stunning hand-stamped herb markers. There's such a satisfying weight to them, a real sense of history, as they stand tall among your fresh rosemary and thyme. The way the spring sun glints off that aged silver, It just brings that perfect rustic high-end feel to your smallest terracotta pots. Nature really provides the best gift wrap, doesn't it? This peeling, papery birch bark has such an incredible, organic texture. By wrapping it around a simple glass jar, we're creating a vase that feels like it grew right out of the earth. Pop in a single bright yellow daffodil and let it sit on your garden bench. It's a tiny celebration of spring, refined, rustic, and so easy to make in just a few minutes. Close your eyes and just breathe. The warm sun hitting these cinnamon sticks and dried lavender creates the most heavenly, natural perfume. We're tying them together with a soft burlap ribbon to create these charming little scent bundles. Hang them near your favorite garden chair and let the afternoon heat release those calming aromas. It's a sensory experience that proves you don't need a lot of space to create a very big, peaceful mood. We're capturing a moment in time. Literally, these tiny wildflowers were blooming just this morning, and now they're preserved forever in clear, glowing resin. When the daylight hits these charms, they light up like little stained glass windows hanging from your trees. It's a delicate, handcrafted way to keep the colors of spring alive all year round. They're like little drops of sunshine dancing in the breeze. Truly, a magical addition to any small garden. Rustic burlap meets delicate white lace in these sweet, hand-stitched sachet bags. They're small, simple, and so incredibly versatile. Fill them with dried petals from your own garden to create a pocket of fragrance that lasts for months. Whether you hang them on a garden gate or tuck them into a gift basket, they carry that cozy cottagecore vibe effortlessly. It's about taking humble materials and turning them into something, well, truly beautiful and special. Look closely at the veins of this leaf. It's like a tiny natural map. By pressing fresh spring leaves into terracotta clay, we're freezing that intricate geometry forever. These wall hangings are small enough to fit anywhere, yet they command so much attention with their raw, earthy detail. A dark wash highlights every single line, making the art of nature the star of your garden wall. It's simple, it's grounding, and it is deeply satisfying. You'd never guess these vibrant spring zinnias started as humble pine cones from the forest floor. By simply trimming the scales and adding a splash of soft pastel paint, we've given them a whole new life. They're playful, they're bright, and they never fade. Nestled right into your flower beds, they add a pop of handcrafted color that stays beautiful all day long. It's upcycling at its most charming and creative, don't you think? Just wonderful. There's a quiet music in the way sea glass moves. We're pairing these frosted ocean-worn gems with a piece of sun-bleached driftwood to create a tiny, hand-sized mobile. The way the soft greens and blues catch the light is just mesmerizing. It's a little piece of the coast, right in your backyard. As it turns slowly in the wind, it brings a sense of calm and a touch of artistic flair to your garden. let's create something cozy for your garden tea time. Braiding this thick jute rope is such a therapeutic process. Over, under, and around. These spiral coasters are rugged, durable, and packed with rustic character. They're the perfect landing spot for a warm mug or a small potted plant. It's the finishing touch that says, pull up a chair, stay a while, and enjoy the beauty we've created together today. It's been lovely. It's amazing how these tiny, handcrafted touches can completely shift the energy of a garden, isn't it? From mossy birdhouses to silver markers, we've explored how small details create lasting charm. If you feel inspired to add some rustic soul to your space today, please hit that like button, subscribe to join our community, and comment below with your favorite project. See you soon.